Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put on a glasses spacer on HTC Vive Focus Vision to make it sit more comfortably with glasses on. HTC Vive Focus Vision comes with a glasses spacer which you can put on to make it sit more comfortably if you have glasses. And to put it on, first I adjust opening the top strap, then finding the quick adjustment button at the bottom of your device, which is here, so you can quickly make more space here to have better access. And now you need to take this cushion off, and it's really easy to take it off because it's attached with a magnet. Now take the glasses spacer and put it on the correct orientation, so this nose indent goes where the nose goes. Make sure it's attached everywhere. And now when it's on correctly, you can put on the cushion. Make sure it clicks, and if it clicks, it's correctly put on. To take it off, just take it off and it comes out with the spacer on, so you just need to use some force, but try to be gentle to take out the glasses spacer. And now you can just easily put the cushion back on the headset, and it's attached with a magnet. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.